Y'all know where we are? It's the grandma casserole one, y'all. Let's see what time they close here. Oh, they don't close till 6, Daddy.
Folks, we're gonna go in here. Let's go. We get excited about antique places.
The harvest is on. See, this stuff is stuff people made, you know. So like there are antiques in here, but it's also crafts and like just thrift stuff too, you know.
Yeah.
Look, they have a whole Thanksgiving little set here for Thanksgiving. Platter up there and all.
That's nice. Here's a phone. I've been looking for one of these.
Oh yeah. Now is it a real one or is it a make?
This is firm. They got it in red.
$1.95 firm.
Firm. Yeah, that's a real one right there. Let's think about it.
Oh, look at these old bingo cards. How much they want to say for this? $8.98. And we might see a George and Martha in here.
It's possible. You got a handle right there.
Oh, look at this. This is pretty.
Well, y'all know that we'll look for these in a
Oh, yeah.
antique. We've done this before.
Yeah, and
This
it
is
said
more of a
king, but it was
Christmas.
not a king.
What
yeah.
is this one? This is a king. We all remember these, right? Is that my size?
Where would you do it at, though?
Out there on the,
Driveway.
yeah. I'd race the neighbors as they went down through. You know what I'm
That's a nice towel.
saying? Is these over here aprons for cooking?
I don't know. They're long.
Oh, it's a little suit you cook in.
They got some fall shirts right here.
Yeah.
It's
It's
fall,
fall,
y'all.
y'all. Rich coffee and vanilla right here. Let's see what we got here. Rich coffee and vanilla. Ooh, that is pretty stout. Almost smells like popcorn
Whoa,
to me.
yeah.
That's
Whoa,
popcorn,
that's
folks.
rich. That's
Rich.
real rich.
Rich.
How much are these? $2.49.
This ain't for this ain't for $525 right here. That ain't bad.
Yeah, that's not bad.
We might end up buying this.
Oh, we might.
You can never tell. We're gonna pray about it.
I like this little desk. How much is it? $99.
I remember sitting in them.
Look, it's even got a little pencil
I
there.
remember those. I also remember the corners.
Yeah. You were there more than the desk.
Little house on the prairie. Here we are. Reverend Alden. That right there would get people's attention though when
Yeah.
it's time to eat.
Oh, yeah, it would. Can y'all... Well, I ring the bell on the back porch. Can y'all not hear it down at the barn?
No, we would hear that.
I know. You know you'd hear
Of course,
that.
I would call them in from far and near. This is one of these kind.
Oh, yeah. That is a pretty pumpkin. What's this guy do? It says press here. He must have used to play this or something.
Probably got
He's
tired.
sitting on a little hay bale. That's adorable.
Christmas Carol.
Yeah, but remember there was a new section that had those candles. Oh, there it is. It's rustic down here. Rustic rooster. Yeah, rustic rooster. Remember, this is where we got these candles. Yeah, see, we got this little bear. One time I've walked with it, like Scrooge, but I wasn't being Scrooge. Yeah.
Oh, this is a little bit unusual.
What? Oh,
What about that?
that's kind of neat.
Sit there and watch that for hours.
Happy harvest.
Here's some pants.
Wow.
This is really nice right here, what they got on this table.
Yeah, it is.
It looks good on this white table, I think.
Mm-hmm.
That's nice.
Oh, yeah, that is.
I ain't never caught a fish that big. I wonder if I could buy that right there, just put it on the wall, make people think I did. You know what I'm saying? I don't have to tell them.
Right.
I just stand beside it when people come in, they can been to our house, be like,
Are those real apples? No, those really look real.
They do.
Because they have the sticker on them like it's a real.
I'm pretty sure they had this last time we came.
Yeah.
Nobody bought it.
Mm-hmm. This wood burning stove is $2,600. Y'all, it is fall at Hobby Lobby. Look at all these leaves. Oh, I just got hit by one. I'm looking for George and Martha.
Well, I said,
Oh,
here they
well.
are. Them may be for more richy people, you know what I'm saying?
There are some George and Martha's over at the front of the store. I already saw them, but they're kind of busy at the front right now.
I'm gonna tell you something. They're getting the Christmas spirit here too.
Oh yes.
Look up there.
Yeah, but look, they've got some new stuff here. That's really pretty. Look at that.
Come together for food and memories. You put food in front of a lot of people, and you'll have memories.
Yes, you will.
You know, we probably need to buy some more of those.
What's wrong with that? How's the ones up there?
Well, I thought we broke one of them.
We glued it back.
Somebody tried to eat off that fork.
It got glued back, I think. These are pretty. I think we saw this last time.
Another
Looks
true
like a stained
statement
glass.
here. If you feed them, they will.
Oh yeah, and when they know you're the one who feeds them, they will follow you.
People too far.
Oh look, in my hair.
A leaf.
I would kind of like to hang that. I wish it said the swing or something.
Swing. No, it's really kind of a porch. We
Yeah,
got
it's a
3
porch
porches.
swing.
We got 4 porches.
It's
1, 2. We got 3 on the house and 1 in the woods. Lazy cat.
Oh,
You know what I'm saying?
that horn almost got me. See the George and Martha's over there?
Yeah, we got a bunch of them here.
Yeah.
They're in good shape.
Hobby Lobby, I knew they won't let you down. I still think you need one of these guys hanging up. And I'm seeing all kinds of good ones. What about him?
Him?
You were saying that you wanted some hooks. Right here. To hang something. I remember you telling me. $5.
Oh, yes, the Lord's in there.
And look, here's your bell. You can put, and you can tell me when you're ready to eat.
Oh, yeah, there you go. This one ain't but $2.99. I feel deeply we can go ahead and get a few of those.
Oh no, it's $3.29. Oh, that one's $2.99.
I guess this one's better than that one.
I don't know why that one's $2.99.
That one probably looks better. If you look at it hard enough, you might see different things there. It can make you like this one better.
I'm trying to decide. I think I want to do real pumpkins on the outside and not
Yeah, I would.
the
Real ones is worth.
I'm gonna put real pumpkins and some mums.
Like this little corn thing right here would be.
Yeah.
But that was the that.
I'm not feeling the
There's
corn.
yeah, and then there's yeah.
I'm
How
kind
about
of
some of these colorful pumpkins.
yeah. Like I wish they had regular pumpkins but taller.
Yeah.
Do we like the tablecloth with the pumpkins or just the? This
No,
is
I think the pumpkin.
Okay.
Yeah, the pumpkins are really.
That's the one I had last
We get
year.
to remove the pumpkin pie, you know.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Look at these little things. These are very nice, ain't they?
Yes, they are. See, that's the other yes.
Yeah. That's the reason I didn't know how to ask the question. I was just like, we'll let her decide if it goes up or down.
Let's see.
They got a lot more stuff.
Yeah, from when we were here the last time, yeah. I like these right here, George and Martha.
Not these.
Yeah, there's Martha. There she is. It's the last Martha too, I think. And no, that's not the right George. Over here is George. Right, that's him. That's the one. Look how happy they are.
What marriage is all about.
You should perform a ceremony.
So you take her, you take him. Yeah.
Happy fall.
Happy fall, y'all. We're in Wally World
Oh, I
now.
was going to tell them to guess. Pretend like y'all didn't hear that. Guess where we are. Dr. Squatch.
Dude, they got mine? Oh yeah, Sierra Storm. This is what I wear, everybody.
Dr. Squatch. I thought you got Rainforest Rapids. Or is that the soap? The soap is Rainforest
That's the
Rapids.
stuff. I'm gonna get 2 of them.
Hey, look,
one for each arm.
They have Snickerdoodle. Y'all, he goes through deodorant too fast. You do, I think you put too much deodorant.
Well, I don't want to offend the world, so I do make sure that I got on enough.
And I'm
That's the
going
kind
to
I
tell
like.
y'all, I cannot do this EOS. It makes my lips chapped. I know that seems weird. It has the,
Chapstick, chap chew.
yes. If I do not even have chapped lips,
That's deep.
but I use that EOS lip balm, I'm not joking with you, it will make my lips chapped.
These right here, I know they're fancy, but they just really tear me apart. I mean, like if I shave with that in the morning, it'll just razor burn me to death.
He uses those,
I use these cheap.
yeah.
And right there. Those work. This one right
Oh
here.
yeah, that's what we came over here
Right
for.
here is the one that works.
Really?
If you suffer from long nose hairs, this is the one you need right here. This one will get in there and get the job done. I can't stand nose hairs. I'm just telling you right now, I do not.
Battery's included.
Yeah, but that battery won't last long. That thing won't do but one nostril.
But at least it's included.
My uncle used to use these when I was a kid. Daryl may still use these. I don't know, but I know Daryl used to have one of these. And I've tried those. They just don't work for me. That thing would tear me apart. I mean, absolutely demolish me. That one right there, that would grab my skin. I'm talking about like, I don't know why I do razor burn. I mean, it's like super bad. What do y'all think the problem is?
Sensitive skin.
Well, no, it ain't sensitive skin. Trust me, my hands ain't got nothing sensitive about that.
Well, nothing but your neck skin.
I don't care. You know
Your
what?
neck skin.
My neck skin? I started using some castor oil. I started popping some castor oil on right here and then putting that squatch. The squatch.
Butter, shea butter.
Shea butter, and it does not razor burn me with those cheap razors.
We got it, Joey. Yeah, we got some.
Well, something right here, this is muscadine herb.
You can. A little taller. We're all counting on Manly to pick out the good chewing gum and mints.
Should've went in.
Titus, he's not the greatest at that. Like, we can tell him the exact type we want and he'll come back with something
He'll
different.
come back with juicy fruit.
Right, and none of us like juicy fruit. I already have Big Red, so I'm good. What'd you get, Manny? Hubba Bubba?
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah,
I still have $2
You
left.
do?
because Daddy really bought the chewing gum.